Hi everyone, this is module number 102 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And in this module, we will continue our evaluation of SHRM performance linkages and research in this area. This module is particularly dedicated to identify the rhetoric versus reality gap in the research of strategic human resource management or in the field of SHRM. What is rhetoric and what is reality and the gap in between? In simple words, rhetoric means some persuasive speech or persuasive writing or convincing writing about something. That is rhetoric. इसका मतलब यह है कि जब कोई आदमी किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करता है तो वो उसको इस तरीके से पेश करता है या इस तरीके से बताता है या इस तरीके से लिखता है कि he or she is trying to convince others that something is ideal or something is very important. That is rhetoric in writing or rhetoric in speaking. इस तरह बहुत सारे लीडर्स हैं, आपने उनकी तकरीरें सुनी होंगी. इसी तरह बहुत सारी किताबें आपने पढ़ी होंगी जो साइकोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है या कोई लेक्चर्स आपने अटेंड किए हैं. तो बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि इससे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ कोई नहीं है. लेट्स मेक इट सिंपल बिकॉज आई फर्स्ट वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन rhetoric and reality और what we mean by rhetoric. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जो स्कॉलर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल और सोशल साइंसेज में ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल जस्टिस के बारे में लिखते हैं, दे से दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल जस्टिस इज़ ए फंडामेंटल रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द इफेक्टिव फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कोई सोसाइटी, कोई मुआशरा इंसाफ के बगैर नहीं चल सकता, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो दिस इज़ रेट्रिक स्पीच और रेट्रिक राइटिंग. Somebody tried to convince you that organizational justice or social justice in the society is the most important thing. एक और आदमी आता है, वो दूसरा आदमी कहता है कि what you call the parenting or how you grow your child or how you grow your children and your rituals और आपकी जो सकाफत है और ये है, इस तरह की चीज़ें, that is the most important. एंड सोसाइटी इज़ कम्पोज ऑफ दिस एंड दैट. अमेरिका इस तरह है, पाकिस्तान इस तरह है, मुसलमान इस तरह है, और ये ड्रामे में आप देखें, हिस्ट्री देखें, 400 साल 500 साल पुरानी हम इस. सो समबडी इज़ ट्राइंग टू क्लेम दैट दिस पर्सपेक्टिव और दिस थिंग इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन समवन्स लाइफ. Similarly, when we talk about rhetoric versus reality gap in the strategic human resource management, it is claimed that there is a difference, there is a gap between intended versus implemented versus perceived. What are, or there might be something intended what is different from what is implemented and something different what is perceived. Intended at which level? Who will intend? That is the HR professionals, HR managers. So their intention that what should be the HR practices, they are whatsoever the HR practices they are gonna implement in the organization, or they are gonna suggest to the line managers to implement. So that is the contents of the HR practices. तो मतलब ये intended है कि हम ये करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आप कहते हैं कि these are our intended HR practices. We will have this grievance procedure, rewards, performance appraisal. We will evaluate employees based on their real performance, and we will motivate employees, these practices, this and that. So these are intended HR practices. When in practice, these intended HR practices are documented in organizational documents or in the organizational policies and manuals, or policy manuals, then somebody who is going to implement them. Who is going to implement them? Definitely the most important people, they are on the front of organization are the middle level managers or immediate supervisors who are implementing the HR practices, because they are going to do a performance appraisal, they are going to reward their employees, they are part of the hiring and firing, they are going to deal with the employees on day-to-day basis. So they are actually implementing the HR practices. So intended might be different, implemented might be different. Now you go to the last level or the lower level in the organization, that is the frontline employees. That are the actual employees who are doing the core function of the organization. For example, the people in the sales, they go outside the company and they actually perform the sales activity. In the bank, for example, a teller who is actually interacting with the customers and providing the bank services to its customers. So those people who are actually at the front of the organization, what they perceive about these HR practices. So according to the research, there is a significant gap between rhetoric, then the implemented, and then it is perceived. If you ask employees about the HR practices or HR strategy of an organization, they might tell you very different from those who are the HR professionals or HR practitioners in an organization. Managers may tell you a different story. HR professionals may tell you a different story about HR strategy, while the employees may tell you a different story about the HR strategy. So most recent trend is to measure employees' experiences. As a result, what are the implications of evaluating the past research on these in these areas or in these dimensions? When we talk about the defining SHRM versus rhetoric and reality gap, what are the implications? That in the most recent, the current research is focusing on the actual level. That is, when the researcher is conducting the survey or interviewing, the focus is the frontline employee who is actually practicing or to whom or on which these practices are being implemented. वो जो एम्प्लॉय फ्रंट लेवल पे काम कर रहा है, जो एक्चुअली उन प्रैक्टिसेस जिसके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंट हो रही हैं, यू आस्क देम व्हाट इज़ योर परसेप्शन अबाउट दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन HR strategy? What is your perception about reward strategy? Do your company or HR department reward to those who perform, or the reward is same for everybody? What they tell you might be very close to what are the actual HR practices in the organization, rather than the rhetoric, something which is claimed, something which is pronounced. Thank you.